What's up, superstars? Welcome back to Crypto Cornucopia, where you come for the latest crypto news, education, and a path to prosperity. I am making these videos for beginners, but even seasoned traders need a different point of view. Set the video to 1.5 so it goes faster. Like, subscribe, and share to anybody that you think might be wanting to get into the crypto market. Let's get up to 100 subscribers. Use the links below and ask questions so that I know what you want to learn about, and I'll make future videos on that. Watch out for scammers. If they're talking about how they made money, then it's crap. All right, nobody needs to do a series of comments and questions for that. All they do is watch the videos. All right, so getting up on the soapbox today, I am pushing for everybody to get into the crypto market. If you're not in yet, if you don't have any exposure, you're going to kick yourself. Okay. This market is on fire right now. All I ever hear about right now is Shiba Inu. Okay. And although it's got some utility, this is just a way for people to make quick money. The problem is that a lot of people are going to get burnt. They don't understand how this space works. They don't understand how the tokens go up in value. And this is what I talk about all the time. So go back through all the videos that I've already made, set it to that fast speed, get through this information so you have an understanding of what the market is. But you're not going to have any understanding if you don't have any skin in the game. If you haven't opened up an account, and this is what we're talking about. You want to watch the videos. You want to use the links that I have below for you. Get more information. I do about 4 hours of research every single day, and I try to bring you the best of it in all these videos. But if there's anything that sounds appealing to you in my videos, I leave the links below. I suggest you use them. All right, you need to open up on-ramp accounts. And I have 2 down below that I feel are the best. I've opened about 6 myself in different types of spaces. A lot of them are confusing. They don't work very well. But the 2 that I have below have worked great. Crypto.com and Voyager. And Voyager to me is even better. It just doesn't have as many tokens on it, but it's got everything that you would want to start out with. They give you more money up front. It's very quick. They don't charge you for swapping out from one token to the next or buying one token. All you've got to do is link up the account with your bank account, put your fiat money on. That's what the on-ramp is, fiat on-ramp. And then you can buy cryptos from there. And on top of that, if you keep those tokens in there, they start giving you percentages. You just need a certain amount of those tokens. And it's all in the app. You can look that stuff up. After that, after you set up some type of on-ramp account, you want to set up MetaMask. So this is a very new space. And a lot of the tokens and the type of DeFi projects where you can really make great yield. I'm talking anywhere from 10 to 150%. Actually, there's one that I've been showing you guys lately, Climb DAO, is at 32,000 APY. And it's amazing, but you have to set it up. You have to get in there and start doing it and make the mistakes, even if it's with a little bit of money. Now, when you set up MetaMask, right now there are quite a few different types of protocols that you can use. Like Ethereum is one, Bitcoin is one, although there's not much on that. Then you have Solana, and then Polygon, which is a layer 2 of Ethereum. And they have bridges from Ethereum, which is where you're going to start out from, because all these on-ramps that we're talking about, Voyager, Crypto.com, whatever you want to use, they're connected to Ethereum. So MetaMask is where you want to set that account up. And then when you have that extension, that Chrome wallet extension of MetaMask, then you can take your money anywhere. All right, from there you can start trading. You can start buying stuff on Uniswap. You can move it over to Polygon, which is where I do most of my stuff, and use a bridge to get over there. All right, so essentially you start with Crypto.com or Voyager. You move that money, you send it into your MetaMask wallet. From there you can do anything. And from MetaMask, you can move it over to a layer 2 like Polygon and use that bridge to go do trading over there. See, the problem with Ethereum is the fees are really high. So what I would suggest is you get on ramp, you send it over to MetaMask, and then you bridge it over to Polygon. Now, if you already have a Coinbase account, you can actually send it straight to Polygon. They've linked up with that, which is one of the reasons that Polygon has been doing really amazing right now. All right, but if you're just starting out in crypto, I suggest you get into this. If you don't know how to do it, ask questions below. I'll do tutorials on it, or I'll send you to a video that's already done a video and I think is really worth watching. All right, next one you will see is the news. Hope you guys are having a great day. Take care.